10 healthy tips to help alleviate dry eyes safely. Make yourself yawn 3 times in a row. Yawning helps to naturally lubricate the eyes and alleviate dryness. Also, get plenty of rest. Blink regularly. Be conscious of blinking regularly, especially when focusing on screens or during activities that reduce blink frequency. Blinking helps spread tears across the surface of the eye, providing moisture. Humidify the air. Use a humidifier in your home or workspace to add moisture to the air, particularly during dry seasons or in environments with low humidity. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. When working on screens, take regular breaks to rest your eyes. Every 20 minutes, look away from the screen at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds to reduce eye strain and dryness. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain overall hydration, which can help support tear production and alleviate dry eyes. Protect your eyes. Wear wraparound sunglasses or protective eyewear when outdoors to shield your eyes from wind, dust, and other environmental irritants that can exacerbate dryness. Warm compresses. Apply a warm, damp compress to your closed eyes for a few minutes. This can help stimulate the production of natural oils in the eyelids, which are essential for maintaining tear film stability. Omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids into your diet, such as fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Alternatively, consider taking omega-3 supplements, as they may help improve tear quality and reduce dry eye symptoms. Proper eyelid hygiene. Keep your eyelids clean by gently washing them with a mild, tear-free cleanser. This can help prevent blockages in the oil glands along the eyelid margins, which can contribute to dry eye symptoms. Consult an eye care professional. If dry eye symptoms persist despite home remedies, or if you experience severe discomfort, redness, or vision changes, consult an eye care professional. They can assess your condition, prescribe appropriate treatments, and offer personalized recommendations for managing dry eyes safely. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine and lifestyle, you can help alleviate dry eye symptoms and maintain overall eye health.